Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Cardula and I'm going to be your instructor for College Algebra this term. I want to take a little bit of time and make a short video to introduce you to the course and to kind of orient you to what we're going to be doing and also provide some background for me. Like I said, I'm Ryan Cardula. I currently live in Emporia, Kansas. I work for Emporia Public Schools. In the past I was a math teacher. I've been teaching online classes for a lot of years, so done a lot of college algebra, done a lot of online courses, so hopefully I can make this a good experience for you. So as far as the course, we do use Canvas, and we also use MyLab Math. And those are our two primary web pages or websites we're going to be using. I want to kind of orient you a little bit to what we're going to be doing. Every week I'll make another video to introduce the week's work. So there'll be one most likely to be available on Monday. This one will be available probably on Friday. So hope you enjoy this. So let's start off with modules. And we'll kind of run down through this kind of quickly, but this is where you should start, is in the modules section. This video will be sitting right in here, in this area. The first thing after the video you should take a look at the syllabus. So if you click on this link, the syllabus will come up. You'll have a syllabus quiz in week 1, so make sure you take a look at this syllabus. Lots of good information in here. You can download and print if you want to, but you can just review it right through here. So take a look at the syllabus. The next piece I want to point out to you is Canvas notifications. I make a lot of announcements, so please make sure your Canvas is set up to receive notifications from me. That's my primary mode of communication is announcements. I don't send a lot of emails. I just make announcements. So make sure your notifications are turned on. The next thing I want to make sure you know is that your midterm and your final are proctored. You will have to set that up, and here is some information about that. If you're on campus, you can use Newman's Testing Center. If not, you can find another testing center throughout the state of Kansas or wherever you live. Just let me know and we'll work through it. We'll take a look at this information. The next piece I want to show you is your schedule. So this is the tentative schedule. It might change as we go through the course. This is kind of a new course, so I want to just put a tentative schedule out there, but you can take a look at that and print it off. So this class begins on Monday. You'll have these activities to do, and I'll show you where these are. So every week you have assignments due on Sunday. Every other week you'll have a quiz, and our quizzes will be a little bit different. I'll explain that to you during week 2. But you usually have all week to work on your assignments. Please don't wait till Saturday night or Sunday morning to get these done. You should be working on them throughout the week. But this is your schedule for the course, and you'll see your midterm is due on October the 10th. And then your final is due on December the 5th. So those dates really are not flexible. They're pretty hard set. I do recommend you take your midterm and your final early in the week, like Monday and Tuesday. Don't wait till Thursday and try to get it done. Things happen, and if you don't get it done by these due dates, you won't be able to take it. So take a look at the schedule. And I'll explain more about the quizzes later on. Take a look at the prerequisites. This kind of tells you what to expect about the course. Take a look at that. Here are some expectations for you as a student, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Take a look at this. Here's some information about the testing center, and you'll use that to take your test. There's also some tutoring information here as well. Now, one thing you need to understand, this is an online course. So you need to have the technology to effectively do this course. If you don't have the technology, you're going to struggle, and that's really not an excuse to not do well. So make sure you have all this technology in place before you start the course. Here's mention about me as an instructor. I went over that a little bit with you on that already, but take a look at that. And here's my phone number if you need to call me. You can call me on the phone. I will return your call. Here's my email address. Probably the most effective way to contact me is through email. I'll return them pretty quickly. If for some reason you don't get a response within, say, 24 hours, please email me again because I've missed it. Now, like I said a little bit ago, we use MyLab Math for the content. So make sure that you get in there and you get registered for MyLab Math. This explains to you exactly what you need to be doing to get registered. It's something that you have to have. You use this link right here. But this video will go through all that for you. It's just important you get in there as soon as possible and start working. Here's a little bit more information about registering for MyLab Math, written instructions. Take a look at that. Again, you can click this link to download and print it off. It's important that you do this and don't wait. Don't wait till Friday, Saturday night to try to get this done. You get this done early in the week as possible. Here's some information about your browser. Again, technology. You need to make sure your technology works. Saying your computer can't run MyLab Math is not a good thing. You have to have this technology to do this class. Here's a little bit of explanation about the different links that you'll see. You have assignments, you have the gradebook. We do have an e-text that you can download and use. There's video libraries, things like that. So take a look at these pieces. And then here's some information on getting started in Canvas. Okay, so that leads us to week 1. So let's go back to modules. So when this class opens up and you get into it, you need to start here with begin here and go through all these different documents. This video will be posted right in here at some point, so you'll be able to see the video. Let's just start here and go down through all these different assignments. And then you'll have another video probably Monday morning that will go into week 1. And as far as the modules, you'll see that we end up having, I believe, 15 modules in this course. Yeah, 15 or 16 modules. I'm not going to release everything all at one time. You're going to get one module a week as I work through and develop this course. So on Friday, you'll probably get to see this video when the class opens up. This video and this module, the first week 1 module, will open up on Monday. You'll be able to have this video. The video will be posted right in here. It'll be over week 1 to kind of explain to you what's going to be happening. And then you need to go through and do all these different activities. These are your weekly engagement activities. Here's your syllabus quiz. Here's your introduce yourself. Here's a guess my number game. Here's your homework. And here's a few extra videos. So again, make sure that you work on week 1. Again, I'll have a week 1 video available probably on Monday. And then you'll also have an announcement to welcome you to class and about week 1, and they'll be sitting in the announcement link. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you get that video. Again, I'm excited to work with you. I can't wait to get started. If you need help, let me know. But talk to you later. Thanks a lot.